Thank You, Ma'am is a short story by Langston Hughes, a famous American writer and poet. He wrote this story in 1958. It is one of his most well-known and loved stories. This story is about kindness, trust, and second chances. It shows how one small act of understanding can change a person's life. The story also teaches us that everyone makes mistakes, but people can learn and become better. We have rewritten this story in Level 1 English. That means the grammar and words are simple and easy for beginners. If you are learning English, this story is perfect for you. We do not tell you everything in this introduction. We want you to read the story yourself. You will enjoy the events and the message at the end. We hope you like this short story for beginners and learn something important from it. This story was rewritten by learnenglish-new.com for English learners. Enjoy reading the story and improve your English skills. Thank You, Ma'am, by Langston Hughes. Contents: Chapter 1, The Street at Night. Chapter 2, A Warm House. Chapter 1, The Street at Night. It is late at night. The streets are quiet. A big woman is walking home. She is carrying a large purse. Her name is Mrs. Luella Bates Washington Jones. A boy is watching her from behind. His name is Roger. He is about 14 or 15 years old. He is thin and looks hungry. He wants to buy some blue suede shoes, but he has no money. Suddenly, Roger runs and tries to take the woman's purse. But the purse is heavy, does not move. Roger falls to the ground. The woman turns around quickly. She does not run away. She does not cry. Instead, she kicks Roger in the backside and grabs his shirt. She is strong and not afraid. "Pick up my purse, boy," she says. Roger looks scared. "I didn't mean to," he begins. "And your face is dirty," the woman says. "I got a good mind to wash your face. Ain't you got nobody at home to tell you to wash your face?" "No, Roger says quietly. "Then it will get washed tonight," she says. She holds his shirt tightly. "You come with me." Roger does not know what to do. He is scared, but the woman is not angry in a bad way. She starts walking and pulls Roger with her. Chapter 2, A Warm House. The woman takes Roger to her house. It is a small home, but it is clean and warm. She opens the door and brings him inside. She does not call the police. She does not yell. She lets go of Roger's shirt. "You can wash your face in that sink," she says. Roger looks at the door. Should he run away? But he sees something different in the woman's eyes. She is not angry. She is kind. He goes to the sink and washes his face. After that, the woman gives him a towel. "You hungry?" she asks. Roger nods. "Yes'm." She makes some food, ham, lima beans, and cocoa. She gives him a seat at the table. They eat together. As they eat, she talks to him. Her voice is gentle now. "I wasn't always good," she says. "I made mistakes too when I was young. I understand." Roger listens. No one has ever talked to him like this before. He wants to say thank you, but the words do not come out. "Why did you try to steal my purse?" she asks. "I wanted money for some blue suede shoes," Roger says. Well, that's no way to get shoes, she says. There are better ways. You could ask, or work for it. Stealing is not the answer. Roger looks down. He feels ashamed. The woman smiles. She gets up and goes into another room. She comes back with some money in her hand. Here, she says. Take this $10. Go buy those shoes. But don't steal again. Roger looks at the money. He is surprised. His eyes are wide. Thank you, ma'am, he says finally. She leads him to the door. Behave yourself, boy, she says with a smile. Roger wants to say more. He wants to thank her again. But he can't speak. His heart is too full. He looks at her one last time. Then she closes the door. The end.